Hello everyone. Today I am going to start a new chapter, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. First topic of this chapter is the DNA because DNA is the molecular basis of inheritance. Firstly, we will know what is DNA. DNA is the abbreviation used to represent the deoxyribonucleic acid. This deoxyribonucleic acid is a molecule. Deoxyribonucleic acid is a molecule that carry genetic information. Genetic information for the development and functioning of an organism. Information. Which type of information? Genetic. We will see in the later section what is genetic. Actually, if in short, I want to give little knowledge about that. Genetic or gene. Gene, genetic word taken from the gene. What is gene? Sequence of base pair. Sequence of base pairs that present on the DNA. We will see about in the later section, but this genetic, that base pair are the actually information. Base pairs are actually the information. That's why here written genetic information. Sequence of base pairs present on the DNA strands which carry information about the development and functioning of an organism. DNA is a molecule that carries genetic information. It means base pair which are present on the DNA carries information about the development and functioning of an organism. DNA is the hereditary material in humans and almost all other organisms that passes from the parents to the child, that passes from the one generation to the next generation. Hereditary material. Which hereditary materials means the features carried by the DNA. Features, identical features which present in the previous generation transfer to the next generation by the DNA. DNA is a long polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. Actually, nucleotides are the combination of ribose sugar, that is pentose sugar, phosphate and nitrogen base. These three different molecules, pentose sugar, phosphate and nitrogen base, combined together by the different bonds form the nucleotide. And multiple units of this nucleotide form long chain of deoxyribonucleotide and form DNA. So DNA is the combination of multiple units of nucleotides. Which type of nucleotides? Deoxyribonucleotides. Long polymer of deoxyribonucleotide is the DNA. Length of the DNA depends on the number of nucleotides. जितने न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स के नंबर होंगे डीएनए की लेंथ उतनी ज्यादा होगी. सबसे कम लेंथ किसकी है? We will see. Pi-X174 bacteriophage. This is the virus of bacteria. Pi-X174 bacteriophage contain 5386 nucleotides because bacteriophage contain single stranded DNA. So here is written nucleotide. If will be double stranded, on that time pair of nucleotides form the base pair. A pair of nucleotide called base pairs. Pair of nucleotides will be on the double-stranded DNA and that form base pair. In the bacteriophage pi X174, only single-stranded DNA. That's why here written nucleotides, not of the pair. 5386 nucleotide present in pi X174. In lambda bacteriophage, 48,502 base pairs. So here will be DNA of double-stranded DNA present in lambda bacteriophage. This one also the virus of bacteria. Escherichia coli, a prokaryotic cell. E. coli, a prokaryotic cell, contain the 4.6 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 base pair. In haploid human cell, 3.3 multiplied by 10 to the power 9 base pair. If we will talk about the diploid human cell, here will be 6.6 multiplied by 10 to the power 9 base pair. The length of the DNA in human cell will be 2.2 meter in a diploid cell. Where DNA found? DNA present inside the cell in the nucleus, but in the prokaryotic cell DNA not found. So where DNA present? Actually DNA present inside the chromosomes. Inside the chromosome, these chromosomes where will be present? DNA will be there. Chromosomes साइटोप्लाज्म में हो तो डीएनए वहां उसके क्रोमोसोम्स के फॉर्मेशन में डीएनए वहां प्रेजेंट होगा. और अगर हम यूकैरियोटिक सेल की बात करें तो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जहां क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट्स होते हैं वहां पर डीएनए होगा. डीएनए विद द हिस्टोन प्रोटीन्स and with some non-histone proteins form the chromosomes. In the prokaryotic cell, no nucleus found. So in the central region, some proteins with the DNA form the long loops. That particular region where in the form of long loops with the positively charged protein, this DNA found called nucleoid. That region where DNA with the proteins, some positively charged protein DNA found in the chromosome, that region called nucleoid, because there is no nucleus found in prokaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, chromosomes contain the DNA with the protein, histone protein, some non-histone proteins also found, but those regions where non-histone proteins present will be non-functional. The chromatin fibers contain the DNA. If we see in the expanded form, what will be chromatin fibers made up of nucleosomes. Chromatin fiber made up of nucleosome. If we see the nucleosome, these are the nucleosome. Here inside, here is the nucleus, here is the histone proteins wrapped by the DNA. Histone proteins wrapped by the DNA. If we open the strand, this DNA, it looks ladder-like structure, ribbon-like structure, and when we see in the expanded form, it will looks like a helical structure with the double-stranded form of the DNA. We will see about the structure of DNA in the next section. I hope understand about the some little information of about the DNA.